According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, over 40 million adults in the US experience anxiety, making it the most common mental health condition. Studies have shown that low to moderate doses of CBD may have an anxiety-reducing effect on the brain. CBD interacts with a system in your body called the endocannabinoid system. In doing so, CBD can regulate the stress response and help reduce feelings of panic and fear.
One is a case series, which came out last year, that looked at a full-spectrum hemp oil that contained on average 25 milligrams of CBD in a capsule. This was a study on 72 people, and it was looking at people who had either anxiety or sleep as a chief complaint. When they gave 25 milligrams on average, there was an 80% reduction in symptoms in the first month of the study.
If you're interested in taking CBD oil for your anxiety, talk to your doctor first to make sure it's safe and won't interfere with any medications you're taking. You can take CBD oil straight in tincture form to feel the effects within 15 to 30 minutes, or you can eat CBD edibles for a delayed release. Start with a low dose, like 10 milligrams per day, and gradually increase your dosage until you feel the desired effect. CBD products aren't regulated, so always buy your CBD from a reputable seller and make sure it's been lab tested for purity. If CBD oil isn't enough to treat your anxiety on its own, consider pairing it with other treatments, like cognitive behavioral therapy.